Hello, my name is Jennifer Barr, and I'm going to be discussing the drug Quaaludes. The official term for this drug is called Methaqualone, which is a sedative-hypnotic drug, which was composed around 1955. The street name is Quaaludes. This drug used to be a medical prescription that doctors prescribed to patients who were suffering from insomnia, anxiety, or those who were in need of a muscle relaxer. The form that it was ingested was orally, and it was composed of either a capsule or a tablet-like form. Those who abused this drug had the other option of using it as an inhalant, when they would crush the tablet and turn it into a powder-like substance. Quaalude has its very own category out of the depressant drugs. They were used to be used as a substitute for barbiturates and benzodiazepines that were concluded to be addictive. With the continued use of this drug, it became known that it as well had addictive properties that were simply not beneficial enough to patients due to the addictive qualities. Some of the side effects of this drug were nausea, dizziness, vomiting, etc. Some of the more severe side effects included seizures, slowed respiratory system, a low heart rate, etc. Quaaludes were then made illegal in the 1980s when President Ronald Reagan signed the order. The drug was off the medical market within 25 years since it was first produced. Methaqualone is now a Scheduled I controlled substance, which according to the United States Drug Enforcement Administration is considered to be drugs with no currently accepted medical use and a high potential for abuse. The molecular formula of Quaaludes is 16 carbons, 14 hydrogens, 2 nitrogens, and 1 oxygen. Quaaludes are known to have very little research regarding the way they react within our body systems. The drug is quickly absorbed in our digestive system where it reaches the plasma. Since the drug is lipophilic, it dissolves in fats and lipids. Loosely, the drug is labeled to be presumably activated through the neurotransmitter of GABAA type A receptors. When this receptor was initiated at full capacity, it started to create the maximum response through the specific receptor. It is a GABAA agonist where it binds and activates the gamma aminobutyric acid receptors. The drug increases the activity of the GABAA receptors in the brain and nervous system, which results in a low heart rate and blood pressure. This causes the body to relax. The half-life of this drug is 2 to 3 hours. Several experiments have been made to test the capabilities that this drug has and to understand how they work within the human body. The withdrawal symptoms of Quaaludes have been shown to cause trembling, trouble sleeping, also known as insomnia, and severe anxiety. Studies have also been shown that within the central nervous system, the drug seems to primarily focus in the frontal cortex of the brain tissue. Since it attacks the frontal cortex, it causes severe headaches. The drug is extracted slowly from the body, taking up to 6 to 7 days to officially leave the urinary system. A couple interesting facts about Quaaludes is that this drug was known to be recreationally used by young adults due to the Vietnam War that was happening during that time period. They would use this drug because of the euphoric and delightful effects it would cause, which would then relieve them of the stressful events that were happening all around them. This drug was also very prominent in the movie The Wolf of Wall Street. It is also the same drug that Bill Cosby used to drug women and sexually abuse them. that is all. Thank you so much.